over there. Sweetheart. Mary, come join us. Okay, let me in. Indecisive Gardener here. I am Stacy Joe, but you can just call me Stacy if you'd like. Today, I am going to clean up this mess, and the girls are helping me. And they're kind of in the way, but I love them, so I let them be free-ranging, and we're going to have fun today. So grab your coffee and come join us. You know, you give them an inch, they'll take a mile. Go on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Stay out. Come on, girls. No, you gotta get out of here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Shoo. Come on, girls. Come on. Let's go. Trying to clean up around here. Okay, girls, I gotta clean this up. You gonna help me? So today is a hodgepodge day. I am taking this old cute box that the coop came in, and I'm putting it into the in-ground garden, lowering it. Okay, so what I'm doing with the in-ground garden is next spring I'm going to erect some raised beds. Well, I want to put down cardboard throughout the winter, get at least eight layers of cardboard down so it suppresses the weeds, and then I will put the raised beds in. I have all winter to do this. I shop a lot. I am addicted to shopping, so I will have plenty of boxes. I have a bird in the garlic right now. Got to go rescue it. What were you guys doing? I saw you, Flora. You were in the garlic. Oh boy, it's sprouting. It's too early to sprout. It's supposed to wait till spring. Ah! You're having too much fun. Leave the broccoli alone. Come on, girls. Leave the broccoli alone. Come on. Go, go, go. Do I have to put you back in? This is why you don't let your chickens out in the garden. Just saying. My mom warned me. I didn't listen. No. Okay. I try to be nice. I try to be nice. Not gonna happen now. You gotta go back. Okay. So, in you go, little girl. Go ahead. Well, you came along just to say hi, huh? Right here. Okay, let's go. Go ahead. Really? Sweeties? Why don't you eat the corn that you left on the ground, huh? Eat your corn. I'm not giving you these. These are mine. Mine, I tell you, mine. Now, I did clip their wings so they can't get over. I clipped both sides. Okay, so let's get this guy on the ground. Some people say don't leave the labels, don't leave, don't have cardboard with dye on it, but it's very little and I don't see a problem with it. I look like crap. Oh, I look like crap, don't I? Okay. Who cares? Good enough. There we have it. And you see all the debris from the fall. A little bit of rain puddle there and here. Those are the low spots. I'll put more cardboard there. And for now, it's starting to come along. Hubby is home and I need to get inside, and my rule is once he's home I stop what I'm doing and be a wifey and enjoy my life with him instead of being too busy and not paying attention to each other. That is not what I believe in. So I believe that a wife should be a wifey and take care of her man. I'm a traditional wife, so I have to go in and start dinner and have a conversation with him first and ask him about his day. So, or just sit next to him while he's playing on his phone. Anyway, he had a hard day at work and I want to know what happened. So I am going to wrap this up for today, but my next day off, we will pick it back up. You know what? I'm not the perfect wife. Let me explain this. I long to be a traditional wife. I try my best. I may still screw things up, but I am human and I am trying my best. Oh, and another thing. You know, I'm a Gen X, and I was raised by, the boomers that started the feminism movement, and, so I grew up that way. I was raised in a liberal household, and now that I'm older and wiser, I realize how wrong that is, that we have stepped away from traditional roles as a family. And I want to get back to the traditional roles. So I am trying. No one said that it is easy to be in a relationship. I am married. But, and they say it's hard work. Well, that's true. You have to do your part. You have to try. And maybe someone needs to hear this. I don't know, but if you do, I hope you try. I seriously do. Because you will be rewarded in the end. You will be rewarded with blessings from the Lord. And this is what He wants of us. So stop being me, and serve your family. Serve your husband. Serve the Lord. Serve your children. Give them blessings. Be a wife and a mother they want to be around. So, remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless and have an awesome day. I truly hope you do. I appreciate you and thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't, can you please do so? So, if you like me, come join me. Be my friend. And I love to see you in the comments. God bless. Have an awesome day. Thank you for watching.